Hello, I'm Mike Jeffries, and I'm the president of Mader Electric Inc. in Sarasota, Bradenton. This is our front counter showroom. This is where you would come to buy replacement motors for air conditioning, pool pumps, yard sprinkler, irrigation pumps. This is also an area that you might get some testing going on for the smaller single-phase type motors. We also have the controls for those items, from pressure switches to custom control panels. We're a UL certified control panel builder. We also have some of the power transmission devices that you might need, like belts and pulleys and couplings. And this is the place you would come to get your service and your help. This is the repair facility behind me. We repair any type of electrical rotating equipment, electric motors, generators, welders, pumps, from any horsepower, half horsepower to 5,000 horsepower. We also have a machine shop so that we can machine the bearing fits, make new shafts. We can also cut keyways, make parts, and rebuild seal fits. Any type of motor you can imagine, we rebuild. We've got some couplings that needed to be realigned and recut. And we also have an example here of an impeller, a pump impeller, that had to be refit again, another resized. And we also have some inserts and sleeves that we can build. We can rebuild couplings, and like I said, we can also rebuild shafts, make a new shaft, or straighten out an old shaft. This is our motor rewind department. And again, we can rewind any type of motor from a small horsepower, single phase, three phase, DC, up to several thousand horsepower. This is an example of an electrical repair that we can do and we can fabricate. This is a large magnet that's used to pick up large pieces of steel, and we can rebuild the housing. We also are redoing the windings inside this magnet. It weighs about 35 tons, so we can do large equipment rewinds if we need to. This is an example of a diesel-powered generator and an older style generator from the 50s that we've rebuilt for the customer. And he used it in the smelting process. And this is about a 400 kW that we rebuilt. This is the second one of two. Behind me is our warehouse. This is our inventory of new motors, three-phase motors primarily in this particular part of the warehouse. And we stock from, say, a half horsepower up to 500 horsepower. We also stock vertical hollow shaft pump motors up to 250 horsepower. And this is also where we have emergency backup stock for certain customers. So if they call us at 2 o'clock on a Saturday morning, we exchange this motor that we have in stock for them for their repair. Behind me you see our facility for Mader Electric Inc. Come and see us for all your commercial, industrial, electrical needs.